Hello guys! Another day, another quiz na naman ang kailangan nating sagutan dito sa Roblox. Siguro naman guys, sobrang easy naman siguro nito, no? First, itatry muna natin yung mga logos. Next, yung games, entertainment. Let's go! Ooh, first. I think Minecraft. Na Roblox. Jollibee? Ano? McDonald's.
Jollibee pa. We need a Jollibee.
Ooh, orange. Nah. It's Apple. What logo is that? Xbox.
Yan.
So easy.
Wait lang.
Ano kaya to, guys? Ano sa tingin nyo? It's Instagram. It's Google. I'm just messing around, man. Microsoft. Ooh. What's this? Ano to? Pepsi? It's
Coca-Cola.
Cola. A. Yung Shopee ng US, guys. Amazon. S and letter G. Samsung. Hala, Mr. The Grandpa. KFC. BK. Letter D. What logo is that? Disney. What's this?
Instagram.
Ano to? Na Facebook?
Instagram, guys.
YouTube. Oh, this is the Coke. A Pepsi. Oh, familiar ba to sa inyo, guys? This is laging nilalaro ni Ash and Yuki. PS5. Is this gas? Shell. Letter F. Friendster. Walang luma. Facebook. Next. Finish. Level 1 complete. Let's go to superheroes. Let's try the superheroes. Batman. Superman. What? Favorite? Spiderman. And this, Iron Man. Next, Captain America. Oh, next yun, si Goku. Wonder Woman. Huh? Kamay? Na green? Hawk. The Hawk. Wrong spelling. Okay. Nang the. The Flash. Ooh, favorite Thor and Black Panther. Who's that? Wolverine. Huh? Spider Girl? Eto seryoso, guys, di ko kilala. Spider Girl? Hindi, si ano? I know na. Black Widow. I'm sorry, Black Widow. Done with the superhero. Let's try anime. Let's go anime. Sino ba yan? Si Goku. Na One Piece. This is Daddy's favorite. Oh, Demon Slayer. Jujutsu Kaisen. Attack on Titan. Goku again. Naruto. Goku. And My Hero Academia. One Punch Man. Hunter x Hunter. Hunter x Hunter. yung language, yung nasa question. Let's go. Hello. English. English. Hola. Spanish. Bonjour. French. French. What's this? Korean. Japanese. Japanese. No. Korean. Chinese. Chinese. Ayun. Hello. Hello. What is hello? Hint sa hello. Hello. German. Hello. Hello. Hindi kami familiar, guys. Ciao. Ciao, Bella. Ciao, Bella. Ciao. What country is that? Italy. Italy. Spain. Hindi Italy. Oh, Italian. Russia. Oh, I think this is Japanese. Ito, parang Arabian. Arabian. Okay. Arabic. 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 This is Korean. Korean. Hola, chica. Hola. What's hola? Hola. Colombian. Portuguese. Hola. Portuguese. Ayun. Xinjiang. Mongolian. Mongolian. Hindi. Vietnamese. Vietnamese. Aloha. Hawaii. Hawaiian. We're done. Guys, siguro naman nasagutan na natin lahat ng Roblox quiz dito sa Find the Logo, no? Kaya sa susunod muli, paalam!